Man, this is night number 3 and I almost forgot to do this. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. Do you know where your children are? Okay, well I got another little piece of garlic. And this time I think I'm going to put 2 little pieces on, and they're still wet from being cut because I had them in a little plastic bag. I'm going to put them on this Band-Aid and stick them on. And we're going to see what happens. Last time I took it off, the garlic looked kind of yellow. And that was probably taking something out of my little skin tag. I think it's a skin tag. It's not necessarily a wart. But this could be for what I've got as well. We're doing this as a test to see if this is going to work, okay? All right. I'm going to sleep all night with this on. If you put this on too early in the evening, guess what? You're going to start smelling like garlic. I did that the first night. I thought, what the heck is that smell? And I smelled that, and sure enough, it was just coming from that little piece of garlic. All right? Nighty-night. I'm getting ready to take my Band-Aid off. It's the 3rd evening. Has already come and gone, and now I've got to take this off for the last time. It didn't really hurt that much. See? Look at that. See how some of that has gotten soaked right up into the garlic. That garlic, you remember, was pretty much white. And where is my little scars? Right there. And it's still there. Now they say to wait for a week or the rest of the week and see if it comes off. It's supposed to fall off. Well, this really wasn't a wart. It was really something entirely different than that. So I don't know if it's going to work or not. The wives' tale was to take garlic inside a Band-Aid and put that on a wart. 3 nights, just during the evenings, and then pull it off and then let it set for the rest of the week. I'm going to try that on this and see what happens.